have some leftover cotton yarn and today I will show you another simple project. That is my favorite belt with an adjustable buckle. I'm using it all the time. You can buy one adjustable buckle, then need different color straps and use them. So today I will need a similar strap with my black cotton yarn. The instructions can be found on page 39 in the Passap manual. Note that I won't arrange the needles as shown in the diagram. First, make sure the racking handle is in its lowest position. Raise 10 needles on the front bed, close the latches and place the edge springs on the last working needles. Now raise 11 needles on the back bed. The leftmost and the rightmost working needles must be on the back bed of the machine. You can see up close. Now insert the orange strippers. Move the lock to the color changer and take the yarn. Set the front lock to N and the stitch size to 3. Set the back lock the same way. Now knit one row. It should look like this. Set both locks to CX and increase the stitch size to 4. Now knit 2 rows. Set both locks to N and increase the stitch size to 5. Knit 1 row to finish the cast on. Clear the row counter and set the stitch size to 4. Set the back lock to CX and the stitch size to 4. Now start knitting. I will knit 830 rows for a strap long 1.2 meters. You can knit until you reach the desired length. Clear the row counter and set the stitch size to 6.5. Set the back lock to N and increase the stitch size to 6.5. Knit 1 row and lower the front bed. Use the yellow tool and make a zigzag latch cast off. You can use the transferring tool and make a few decreases to make the end pointy before you make the cast off. Cut the yarn from the lock, wrap it behind the latch into the hook and pull it through. Raise the front bed and remove the strap from the machine. By the way, I love to read your comments, so if you think you are brave enough, you can leave me a comment below. It should look like this. You have to use the lowest stitch size possible so the strap will be tight knit. It's almost the same as the original one. The idea for the pointy end came in my head too late, so both ends are the same. I will put one of the ends into the buckle. And the belt is almost ready. The original strap has a metal clip attached to the end. I don't have a spare metal clip and it will be hard to use the belt, so I came up with some ideas. Tell me which one do you think will work the best? Maybe the best thing you can do is to make the end pointy. You can use a ribbon and sew a tab in the end. Of course, try to find a ribbon that is the same color. You can use your sewing machine and sew back and forth at the end of the strap. This way the end will become stiff. If you have such a belt and the strap is torn, you can use a screwdriver to remove the clip from the old strap, then use pliers and attach it to the new one. The width of the strap is 3 cm or 1.18 inches. The length is 1.2 meters and it weighs 45 grams. It's almost the same as the original one. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day and see you in my next video.